Hello, class. Welcome to week 3 of English 101 online. For this week, you're going to be delving into the education module that is found in the learning modules on the learning modules tab to the left. You'll be reading some challenging readings about education, the notion of education, who it's for, and in some cases, accessibility to education in our American society. Many of you have already started to post. If you haven't, look at the calendar. The calendar should tell you what is coming up due, what is due, and this is the third week of class. Today is the 19th, and you have the discussion board for the education module due tomorrow. And of course, you have to respond to 2 other people by Thursday and do the second posting by the end of the week and respond to 2 others as well. Next week, you will be working on the education essay, which is again in the education module. And so you may want to take a peek at that to see what it's all about. Just as a reminder, the discussion board is where you'll be posting your discussions from the readings for the education module. Just want to mention that I have graded your essay number 1, your tech essays. And as a reminder, if you did not achieve a score of 70 or higher, then you will need to revise your essay for a passing grade by this week. I recommend going to the writing and literacy centers for a little bit of help if you would like that. 70% is passing for the essays, and you do need to achieve a score of 70% or higher on all of the essays in English 101 in order to pass the course. So I hope this was helpful. Certainly, please use the class cafe if you need it. I mentioned that some of you did a great job submitting your video authentication along with your assignment. And if you would share how you did it and post it on the class cafe, that would be great for others who are looking for help in figuring out how to do the video authentication. Thank you so much. Good luck.